Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 most commonly asked questions in English language. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First question is, what is your name? What is your name? यानी आपका नाम क्या है? Second question is, how are you? How are you? यानी आप कैसे हैं? Third question is, where are you from? Where are you from? यानी आप कहाँ से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं? Fourth question is, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? यानी आपका ज़रिया माश क्या है? Fifth question is, what is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? यानी आपका पसंदीदा मशगला कौन सा है? Sixth question is, how old are you? How old are you? यानी आपकी उम्र कितनी है? Seventh question is, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? यानी आपका पसंदीदा खाना कौन सा है? Eighth question is, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? यानी आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? Ninth question is, what is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा मूवी कौन सी है? Tenth question is, what is your favorite book? What is your favorite book? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा किताब कौन सी है? 11th question is, what is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite TV show? यानी आपका पसंदीदा टीवी शो कौन सा है? 12th question is, do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? यानी क्या आपके बहन भाई हैं? 13th question is, what kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? यानी आप किस किस्म का म्यूजिक पसंद करते हैं? 14th question is, what did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? यानी आपने पिछले हफ्ते की छुट्टियों में क्या किया था? 15th question is, what are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? यानी इस हफ्ते की छुट्टियों में आपके क्या इरादे हैं? 16th question is, where did you go on vacation? Where did you go on vacation? यानी आप छुट्टियों में कहाँ गए थे? 17th question is, have you traveled abroad? Have you traveled abroad? यानी क्या आपने बाहर का सफ़र किया हुआ है? 18th question is, do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages? यानी क्या आप दूसरी ज़बानें बोल सकते हैं? 19th question is, what is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? यानी आपका पसंदीदा खेल कौन सा है? 20th question is, what is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? यानी आपका पसंदीदा जानवर कौन सा है? 21st question is, are you married? Are you married? यानी क्या आप शादीशुदा हैं? 22nd question is, do you have any children? Do you have any children? यानी क्या आपके बच्चे हैं? 23rd question is, what is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? यानी आपका पसंदीदा मौसम कौन सा है? 24th question is, what is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite holiday? यानी आपका पसंदीदा छुट्टी का दिन कौन सा है? 25th question is, what is your favorite place to visit? What is your favorite place to visit? यानी आपकी सैर करने के लिए पसंदीदा जगह कौन सी है? 26th question is, what do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? यानी आप अपने फारिग वक्त में क्या करना पसंद करते हैं? 27th question is, what is your dream job? What is your dream job? यानी आपकी वो पसंदीदा नौकरी कौन सी है जिसको करने का आप ख्वाब देखते हैं? 28th question is, what are your career aspirations? What are your career aspirations? यानी आपके मुस्तकबिल के पेशे के हवाले से क्या ख्वाहिशात हैं? 29th question is, what is your educational background? What is your educational background? यानी आपका तालीमी पस मंज़र क्या है? 30th question is, what is your favorite type of cuisine? What is your favorite type of cuisine? यानी आपका पसंदीदा किस्म का खाना कौन सा है? 31st question is, what is your favorite dessert? What is your favorite dessert? यानी आपका पसंदीदा मीठा पकवान कौन सा है? 32nd question is, do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? यानी क्या आपके पास पालतू जानवर हैं? 33rd question is, what is your favorite type of weather? What is your favorite type of weather? यानी आपका पसंदीदा किस्म का मौसम कौन सा है? 34th question is, what is your favorite type of clothing? What is your favorite type of clothing? यानी आपका पसंदीदा लिबास कौन सा है? 35th question is, what is your favorite type of shoe? What is your favorite type of shoe? यानी आपका पसंदीदा किस्म का जूता कौन सा है? 36th question is, what is your favorite type of jewelry? What is your favorite type of jewelry? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा किस्म की ज्वेलरी कौन सी है? 37th question is, what is your favorite type of technology? What is your favorite type of technology? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा किस्म की टेक्नोलॉजी कौन सी है? 38th question is, what is your favorite type of social media platform? What is your favorite type of social media platform? यानी आपका पसंदीदा किस्म का सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है? 39th question is, what is your favorite type of app? What is your favorite type of app? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा किस्म की ऐप कौन सी है? 40th question is, what is your favorite type of video game? What is your favorite type of video game? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा किस्म की वीडियो गेम कौन सी है? 41st question is, what is your favorite movie genre? What is your favorite movie genre? यानी आपकी पसंदीदा मूवी की किस्म कौन सी है? 42nd question is, what is your favorite type of TV show genre? What is your favorite type of TV show genre? यानी आपकी सबसे पसंदीदा टीवी शो की किस्म क्या है? 43rd question is, what is your favorite type of book genre? What is your favorite type of book genre? यानी आपकी सबसे पसंदीदा किताब की किस्म कौन सी है? 44th question is, what is your favorite type of music genre? What is your favorite type of music genre? यानी आपकी सबसे पसंदीदा मौसीकी की किस्म कौन सी है? 45th question is, what is your favorite type of art? What is your favorite type of art? यानी आपका सबसे पसंदीदा किस्म का फन कौन सा है? 46th question is, what is your favorite type of architecture? What is your favorite type of architecture? यानी आपका सबसे पसंदीदा किस्म का तर्ज तामीर कौन सा है? 47th question is, what is your favorite type of vehicle? What is your favorite type of vehicle? यानी आपकी सबसे पसंदीदा किस्म की सवारी कौन सी है? 48th question is, what is your favorite type of activity? What is your favorite type of activity? यानी आपका सबसे पसंदीदा किस्म का मशगला कौन सा है? 49th question is, what is your favorite type of outdoor activity? What is your favorite type of outdoor activity? यानी आपका सबसे पसंदीदा बाहर किया जाने वाला मशगला कौन सा है? 50th question is, what is your favorite type of indoor activity? What is your favorite type of indoor activity? यानी आपका सबसे पसंदीदा घर के अंदर किया जाने वाला मशगला कौन सा है? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.